Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can create cron jobs for your A to Z SEO tools. I'm also going to explain to you what a cron job is and why it's important for you to create one for your A to Z tools. I will also show you some other stuff that you can do, so stay tuned. Just watch the video and ensure guys that you watch the video to the end, and also to leave a like, share the video, leave a comment, and most of all to subscribe to the channel. So continue watching. Now guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create cron jobs for your A to Z tools. Now cron jobs are very important for your A to Z tools, and let me just explain to you why cron jobs are important. So as you can see on the screen, it says common use of cron jobs. Cron jobs are mainly used to perform repetitive tasks at a specific schedule, such as regularly cleaning up unnecessary files from the account, sending periodic messages such as newsletters, flushing the cache of the website application to ensure that the website shows up-to-date content, performing regular maintenance checks, re-indexing and refreshing product and client information. So what can I automate with cron jobs? With cron jobs you can automate actions you do regularly, such as cache purging, removing old files, deleting temporary files, executing PHP script, etc. And it says how to add a new cron job. So guys, for me, my web hosting provider is SiteGround. So this is what I'm using to host my A to Z tools. So depending on who your hosting provider is, if you are using Namecheap, I'm going to show you how to locate the cron job section in Namecheap and in cPanel really. And if you are using any other hosting provider, and obviously they would have cPanel, it should be the same procedure. So as I say, I'm using SiteGround. So as you can see the screenshot here, so it says to add a new cron job, inside tools, go to devs, which I'm going to go there and show you, and then you would go to cron job, then you would enter the interval for the cron execution and exact command and click create. So now that we understand fully what a cron job is and how it's used, then we can actually go over to the A to Z tool in the dashboard, and then we can start creating. But before I do that, you can also delete your cron job. So it says to delete a cron job, inside tools, and of course this is SiteGround. Go to devs again, and then you would go to cron jobs, and then you would find the corresponding cron in the manage cron job section and click on the delete button. And as you can see it here, so you have a screenshot of it, and then you can also modify your existing cron job. So we are going to do all of that. So let us go over to the A to Z tools to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you go here, so you're in the dashboard of the A to Z tools. So to create a cron job for your A to Z tools, you're going to go down to cron job here and you click on it, and note that I've already created one for my A to Z SEO tools. So guys, as you can see, this is live, and you can see cron execution log. So you can actually see all the cron jobs. Well, obviously I regularly delete them, so this would be the latest ones. So you can actually see this, and this is actually running every 30 minutes. So you can see where it says here you have the dates. You can see here cron job started, and then this next line successfully completed, then it starts again, completed. So if I scroll down, you can see all the dates. November 11, today is the 15th. So as you can see, it runs every day. So that's how you would actually see this on your A to Z tool. And the cool thing about it is that the developer already would give you the command. So this is the command we are going to use, or your command. So you're going to have PHP home customer, you're going to have your URL for your A to Z tool, then public HTML, then you're going to have core, then cron.php, and then you also have the cron job path. So this part here is really what you need to worry about. So now that we know how to find this on our A to Z tool that's in the dashboard, we are going to now go over to SiteGround, which is my hosting provider. So if I click on this, so here I'm in the dashboard of my hosting provider, SiteGround. So to get cron job, I just need to click on dev, and then you would have cron job here. And guys, this is where it's so easy. This is where you're going to have your command. As you can see, an example here, a command. So you would paste it here. Then you would select the manual, well, the interval. You can do it manually. So what you would actually do, if you are using SiteGround, what you would do is you would go back over to your A to Z tool, and you would just copy this. No, sorry, this one. The command. So you would just copy, and you would head back over to SiteGround, and then you would just paste it here. So you would just highlight, well, you can just right click and paste. So that's what you would have there. And then you select, if you click this drop down, you can do once per day, once per week, once on the 1st and the 15th of the month. So you can choose whichever one you want. What I did was I chose it to be, I can't remember what I did. Let me just go here because I create mine. So if I go to edit, I'm doing once per hour. So as you can see, interval for me is once per hour, and you can see the command here, cancel. So you can do yours once per hour. Where is it? Yeah, once per hour. So you can choose this one. You could also choose twice per day. So you could have it running just 2 times for the day. So I just do mine once per hour. And the next thing, like these, you don't need to interfere with this. You just need to click one of these, and then it would be automatically set. And obviously after you finish, you just click create, and then it would be appearing down here. So your cron job would start like an hour later or half an hour later. The good thing about SiteGround is that they would have this part here, manage notification email. So guys, if you click on this, if you put your email address here, what is going to happen is that every time your cron job is run, the system is going to automatically send you an email. Now this can be really annoying or dangerous, because every hour you're going to be getting, or every half an hour you're going to be getting an email. So it's going to really overcrowd your email inbox, unless you're going to use an email address which you don't necessarily use. But don't use your primary email, or you could leave this blank. So if you leave this blank, then you would not get any email. But you would actually want to know if it's really working, because if you don't get the email, it could possibly mean that the cron job is not working. And of course, like with this, once it's working, you can see here, you can come back here and check your cron execution log, and you can see that it's successfully completed. So you don't have to worry about that too much. But also what you can do at the end of this command, let me just paste this again. So at the end of this command, what you could do, you could put a / and then you could put a little code, this code here, /dev/null. So you can put this code. Since I have the slash already, I'm just going to copy this part of it. Copy. And then you could just put you could just put this part on it, this extension on it. So what this does, it would prevent the system from sending emails to you. Because this is good, because SiteGround made it easy for me to just ignore the email section. But like in control panel, cPanel, you might not have that option to ignore the email, so it might automatically send the email to you. But if you don't want it to send the email to you, then all you need to do is put this extension here, and then you create. So you do it before you create. And obviously I'm not going to create anything here, so I can just delete this. And if I just refresh this, because I'm not going to have one already, I'm just showing you how to do it. So here's mine. And here again, guys, this is where you can edit if you want. So you click on edit and then you can edit if you want, or you can delete this and create a new one. So for those of you who are using Namecheap as your hosting provider, here is what they are saying. It's similar, and as you can see here, if you want to run script on a scheduled basis, keep in mind the following according to our acceptable policy. So let's go through this, and here it says what I just showed you. If you do not add this section of it at the end of a command, the server will send an email notification each time a cron job runs. So that's what I was telling you about. So I explained this to you already. And here it says, in order to set up a cron job, go to cPanel and the advanced section, which is here, and then you're going to go to cron job, which is here. So you click on this, and then you're going to see this page open, guys, this section open. So remember, I told you you can set yours. Click this drop down. Obviously this is a screenshot. Click this drop down and you can set for twice per day or whatever you want, once per hour. You don't have to interfere with these. You might put how many days you want it, how every month, if you want every day, every month, if you want weekday, every day. And then here is where you're going to put the command. The same command that I paste, you're going to paste it here, and then you click add new cron job, then it will be created. So that's how you would do it in cPanel. That's Namecheap cPanel, and all the other cPanels should be the same process. You only want to know how to locate the cron job. Once you locate it, then you would know exactly what to do. And that's how you would create cron job for your A to Z tools. Now guys, if you want to clear your cron job, then all you need to do is come here and you'll just click and it will clear it. So as you can see, mine is now clear. So it's going to continue to run, and then you would still have them appearing here, but you can come now and again and clear your cron job. And also this cron job is very important, because when you're talking about like error log, as you can see, this is the cron job is actually what is helping you to have the system showing you error files and all of that, and it allows you to clear. So like me, I can clear this also. So as you can see, I've cleared it. Something else that you can clear, you go to miscellaneous, and the cron job is what is really helping you to do all of this. So like you can clean up your temporary directory. If you click on this, these are the things that you can clear, but you have to be careful, because like for me, like I can clear all admin login history data. So I could click on this and I could just clear this. This is really just like how many times you as the administrator log into the system. So it would clear it. So I could go back here and I would show you. So this is where you would actually see. So if you notice, I clear here, so I only have my present login. But if you don't clear it, you would see a list of logins here. So that's what you just clear. And you could actually go back again and where did I go? Miscellaneous. You could also clear other stuff. So you could clean up your cache screenshots. You could clear all recent history data. You could clear all analytics data, but you wouldn't want to clear this because you want to see how the system is working. And you could clear all admin login history, which is what I just did. You could clear all unverified user account. That's people who you cannot verify, they haven't created an account. You could clear that. And you could clear all user accounts, but I don't interfere too much with these. I just clear like all the login data history, like this part of it. Clear all recent, where is it, analytics data. It's really these, like you can see your analytics overview, overall report, visitor log, recent history, who is online. So if you click on this, so this is the information you would have here, and you would see all of this information here. So if you should actually clear that, then all of this would disappear, and you don't want to clear it now because you want to track your data and see how people are logging. Like if I look here, I can see that somebody found my A to Z tool via YouTube. So that's what you want. And you have other stuff here. You can go to your to your overall report. And guys, as you can see, again, you can see that active SEO tools 60, then inactive 0, meaning you have 60 tools on the front end which is active. Then you have like one user. This user is someone who actually registered, sign up, and using a registered email. The other people are just guests. Then you have ban users 0 because you haven't banned any user. Unverified user 0. Ban IP 0. Then you can see last 10 days page views. You can see how many visitors you have viewing your page at what date. So that's what that is. And then you can also look at your visitor log. You can see the country, United States. You can also see the IP address. You can see well, this is the URL for the A to Z tool. You can see the pages they are going to. So the history is important, the analytics. So you don't want to clear this. And then you can see your recent history. So again, guys, you can see all of this information. And the other cool thing about this is if you click on user query, you can see like this person, that's the website for this person, and this person was using the tool to check the Alexa rank checker. Then here's another website for this person, and the person is a guest, this person is a client. So you can actually see that they were checking the page speed of their website. Here's another website, they were checking the page speed. And you can see here this person used the terms and conditions generator, as you can see. So it's giving a lot of information, so you wouldn't want to clear that, guys. So that's really what I want to show you, how you can add cron job to your A to Z tools. So guys, if you like this video, then you know exactly what to do. You can subscribe, give the video a like, share it to someone who wants this information, and also to leave a comment to tell me what you think. So until I do another video, catch you.